wanted it that way.
Então às vezes a gente senta, fala, mas às vezes não toma ações. Aí no final a gente fala, talvez a Shimati queria assim.
And especially if something doesn't work out, and it was meant to be that way.
Então, especialmente quando algo não acontece, né, do jeito que a gente planeja, a gente fala isso.
And so lately this bothered me a bit when I tried to reflect or listen to Shimaji's speeches. All the things I would hear was when she says, you have to figure it out, you have to change it, you have to come together, work it out, do it, do the job.
Então isso estava me incomodando bastante nesses últimos meses, mas nas palestras de Shimataji, ela sempre falava para ele, né, para nós todos, né, que você tem que fazer isso, você tem que trabalhar isso, você tem que ser a pessoa que vai fazer isso.
And so I had this desire, well, I'd like to do it that way. I want to make Shimataji proud, that give her the feeling, look, Shimataji, don't worry, we're on it, we're doing it. We have all the tools, you gave us everything, now let us just do something for you.
Então ele tinha esse sentimento de querer fazer isso, né? E fala até para Shimataji que Shimataji, vamos fazer isso. We are on it. Estamos no caminho a fazer isso.
And then I arrived here, I met those guys, and it was like all my desires came true. Kind of, it's not a dream, it's not a vision, it's not something we will do in 10 or 20 years. It's here.
Ele disse que não é um sonho, algo que vai acontecer em 10 anos, algo que vai acontecer agora, hoje.
And so I would like to encourage all of us, and especially thank those guys here, that I believe this is how Satyogis changed the world.
Agradecer e também empurrar todo mundo aqui, né, que fizeram esse trabalho e que essa é a forma que os Sahajogis vão mudar o mundo.
Now passing to the central route. Movendo agora para a rota central de Mahalakshmi. Eu gostaria de chamar ao palco o tio Victor Bertoni. I would like to call Uncle Victor Bertoni.
Ganesha, I felt the same way, but for completely different reasons. All of these wonderful people could be my children, not grandchildren, but almost. And
o tio falou que o que o Ganesha acabou de falar, ele sentiu mesmo, e que todos nós poderíamos ser os filhos deles. Não os netas, mas os filhos.
Because I haven't been on 10 tours, obviously, nor have I ever been on one of those magnificent India tours during Sri Mataji's lifetime.
Mas eu não fui em 10 tours, né? Nem eu fui nesses tours magníficos da Shimataji quando ela estava aqui. E ela fazia os tours na Índia.
At least not for spreading Sahaja Yoga. It was theatrical tours, plenty of those in Europe and in India.
Mas não para espalhar Sahaja Yoga, né?
Events and festivals.
Para os eventos, festivais.
In which Sri Mataji, of course, was centrally placed.
Em que a Shimataji estava realmente centrada, né? Não tinha isso, ele não participou nunca disso.
But this is my first Sahaja Yoga tour.
Ele participou desses eventos.
And of course my question was, how can I be useful? How come they're inviting me? Yeah.
Então minha pergunta estava, como que eu posso ser útil, né? Por que eles estão me convidando?
And how can I be useful? More important.
E como que eu posso ser útil?
I could say so many things about the incredibly seamless organization. There was never a wrinkle, there was never a moment of tension. It just flowed.
Eu posso falar muito sobre a organização, né? Como ela fluiu, não teve momento de tensão.
And just to witness that has been a completely opening up a new world for me.
E só de testemunhar isso abriu novo mundo para mim.
But then, so I had this question on my mind, and of course it was a great blessing to be on the tour and to be part of this incredible group, and you begin to feel part. You begin to really feel one. It's a daily reality.
Então ele tinha essa questão dentro dele, mas ele estava nessa coletividade de estar. Ele sentiu que a gente estava único, né?
And of course, the Virata is a single, beautifully, working organism, but it has many parts.
Mas claro que o Virata é organismo vivo, mas ele tem várias partes.
Just like we are cells in the Virata, we're also cells together as one body on this incredible mission.
Igual a gente somos almas desse Virata, né? Parte desse Virata todo, dessa criação.
Every single member contributed, not just the people who were privileged to be on the stage.
Todo mundo contribuiu, não somente as pessoas que tiveram o privilégio de estar no palco.
And as you saw last night, we didn't want to appear separately, we wanted to appear together.
Como vocês viram ontem, a gente não queria aparecer individualmente no palco, a gente queria estar junto.
Which I know for a fact, from personal experience, that is what pleases Sri Mataji most.
E eu tenho certeza que isso é um fato que agradaria Sri Mataji ao máximo.
And the experience was in Gmunden in 1986.
E a experiência foi em 1986.
When a young man in an international program before the Guru Puja,
quando homem jovem num programa internacional de Guru Puja, seminário internacional de Guru Puja,
audaciously went on stage in a costume that was hand-painted and a guitar.
Quando esse homem chegou no palco com uma roupa que estava pintada com as mãos e com violão.
Com muita audácia, esse homem chegou ao palco com essa roupa que o tio Victor está falando.
Which he couldn't really play.
Ele não podia tocar.
But sang William Blake's songs of innocence and of experience to Sri Mataji.
Mas entoando as canções da inocência e da experiência de William Blake para Sri Mataji.
And the beautiful images, William Blake's beautiful images, were projected on a screen.
E as belas imagens de William Blake foram projetadas na tela.
And at the end of it, Sri Mataji spoke about the integration of the heart and the brain through the interweaving of the art forms, visual, musical and theatrical, poetic.
E ao final, Sri Mataji comentou sobre a integração do coração e o Sahasrara, desse emaranhado que a arte propõe.
And also with the emotions that were being expressed. She mentioned the emotions, the bhava.
E ela também comentou sobre o bhava, essas emoções que estavam sendo expressadas.
And that she said that this kind of performance could make people understand things at a deeper level.
E ela disse que essa forma de espetáculo poderia fazer as pessoas entenderem de uma forma mais profunda.
And I think she was talking about the integration of the art forms, and that she wanted to have more programs of this kind in the future.
E ela estava falando sobre essa integração de todos os tipos de artes e sobre eles fazerem mais tipos de espetáculo dessa forma.
Which is what we are witnessing today.
O que a gente experienciou hoje,
In all the routes.
em todas as rotas.
And not only that, the integration of all the cultures, the different cultures. I mean, look at all the different genres of music, dance.
E não só isso, a integração de todas as culturas, todas as artes, todas as danças que a gente viu durante a
In London, a few weeks later, privately, when she came to our ashram, and everybody was working, I was just a student, I happened to be there with a couple of others, and she said to me, it was a very nice performance, only one thing could be improved.
Em Londres, eles estavam no ashram e ela chegou até o tio e falou que uma coisa só tinha que melhorar.
Can anyone guess?
Vocês podem adivinhar?
Can you guess?
There should be more people. More people on the stage. More people together on the stage.
Yes, exactly. There should be more people on stage.
No palco.
And I think this is the era, not of individual geniuses and accomplishment, but of collective accomplishment.
E essa não é a era dos gênios, dos competentes gênios individuais, é realmente a era da coletividade.
And just one more thing, my purpose. What am I doing here?
E mais uma coisa, né? Qual era o propósito dele? O que ele está fazendo aqui?
Perhaps the older ones of us that have been in Sahaja a few decades might imagine we are somehow the custodians of knowledge, of ways of doing things, which clearly we are not. As Mother told us in the talk, it's a living, dynamic force, Sahaja state.
Talvez os mais antigos aqui sintam que eles são esse pilar, essa pedra, essa Raja Yoga, né? O início, que não é verdade, né? Shri Mataji comentou.
However, we do have precious memories of Shri Mataji, of how blessed we were to receive her love, her attention, her kindness, her constant care, 24/7.
No entanto, vocês mais velhos viveram com Shri Mataji, receberam esse amor, esse carinho, essa compreensão.
But these are the most important things that we can share. And one of the things that became an asset was really when we started our programs in theatres. There was a field of vibrations that were created when we invited Shri Mataji to be present, when we did the arti to her photograph, because we were carrying her photograph everywhere. That's a photograph, but Mother is present when we invite her, when we do the arti, when we invoke her.
E isso é a coisa mais preciosa que a gente pode compartilhar. A gente sentiu muito isso durante a tour, quando todos nós nos representávamos e a gente carregava a foto de Shri Mataji no início também com Ganesha Arti.
And sometimes when there was no time, because the technical things were going late and we forgot. So what happened was we did the arti during the actual performance.
Quando as coisas ficavam muito convoltadas, muito problemáticas, com pequenas coisas técnicas, né? E a gente esquecia de fazer arte, a gente começou a colocar o arte também durante a apresentação.
And one of the other things that you will all have seen is when Shri Mataji, in her public programs, the program didn't finish with self-realization or how to put on a bandana, come the weekly meetings, that was not the end.
Se vocês viram os vídeos antigos de Shrimatas nos programas públicos, o final não era sobre a realização, sobre a realização, sobre como levantar Kundalini bandas.
People, the seekers would come to the front, to the stage. They would be here, and Mother would be there, and they would be there, and she would put out her hand, she would touch them. There was contact.
Os buscadores da verdade, eles vinham até o palco, o Shrimatas tocava eles, o Shrimatas trabalhava eles.
She caressed their faces.
Ela fazia carinho na face deles.
They looked at her adoringly, but also imploringly, because they needed and they could feel her love.
Eles olhavam para ela adorando, mas também implorando, porque eles precisavam, eles queriam sentir esse amor.
And not only that, they didn't just stay on the edge of the stage where we are now. She would invite them onto the stage.
E não só ficavam aqui na beirada do palco, ela convidava mesmo eles para subir ao palco.
But the queue was so long, Mother would have had to be there for a week, you know.
As filas eram tão longas que Shrimatas tinha que ficar lá por muito tempo, por semanas.
So that's where we had an opportunity to feel useful. She would ask us to come on stage and work on it.
Foi aí que eles sentiram como eles poderiam se tornar úteis, porque Shrimatas chamava eles ao palco para ajudar ela.
And that barrier between the stage, them and us, was broken time and time again on the central route.
E essa barreira do palco e os espectadores foi quebrada em todos os espetáculos na Rota Central.
And we would come and I can honestly say, and I'm sure I can speak for all of us, all of us here, that the greatest joy is being able to, by Mother's grace, just do this and just feel the vibrations over someone's sahasrara.
Eu não sei se eu posso falar por todos aqui, mas talvez seja que a coisa mais alegre é elevar a Kundalini e colocar a mão em cima dos sahasraras.
And another dimension was to realize another meaning, another nuance of this thing, that your hands will speak. Because
E outra dimensão, outra nuance, a gente começava a ter que as nossas mãos, elas podem falar.
not just to feel the catches, but literally the flow of love.
Não necessariamente sentir somente os nossos bloqueios, mas sentir esse fluxo do amor.
Before we can even put it into words.
Antes mesmo que pudéssemos colocar em palavras.
And one final thing. The most sort of beautiful moment was when there was a mother, a young mother. She brought her baby on the stage and she was sitting right there. Mother's photograph was there. And she was sitting with her baby in her arm and with her right hand like... The baby was quiet, not restless, and awake. And the baby's eyes were... that feels good.
Uma última coisa é que nesse momento do workshop, uma mãe com seu bebê que estava muito calminho veio ao palco e a criança estava muito calma. E o Victor estava trabalhando nela.
So I walked around and she happened to speak English. And I asked her whether she felt it, and she said yes. She was just there, she was in meditation. I said, what about the baby? And I said, put your hand over the baby's head.
E aí o tio Vitor veio em volta dela e perguntou como ela se sentiu. Ela sentiu vibrações muito frescas. E aí ele perguntou, e sobre o bebê? Bota sua mão em cima da cabeça do bebê.
And actually, she said, well, actually, it's warm.
Nossa, na verdade, está muito quente.
And I said, just raise its kundalini. Just do that. Which she did. She raised the baby's kundalini.
Então, o tio Vitor pediu para ela elevar a Kundalini da criança, e ela fez, ela realmente levou a Kundalini da criança.
How does it feel? Cool. Good.
E aí ele perguntou como está sentindo.
the field of energy that was created in all of these halls had to be generated. Mother had to be invited to be present. We had to be present. But that energy, that field was there the moment they walked in. And they were coming for the Annunciation of the Divine Mother. Okay? And of course, Mother physically was not present. But they didn't go away.
É claro que toda essa esfera, esse sentimento teve que ser criado, né, mas eles vieram realmente para a realização
They were expecting
divina.
Sri Mataji, I think, probably many of them were coming really focused and, full of kind of something's going to happen. And they were probably expecting Mother physically, I think.
Eles estavam esperando talvez Shri Mataji na sua forma física, ele acha.
But they didn't go away. They didn't go away because they felt Mother's love. Through us, they felt that we cared. We spent time, we talked to them. We asked them if they felt it. And hopefully that will bring them back to the programs in the local.
E eles não foram embora, porque eles genuinamente sentiram o amor da nossa mãe, eles sentiram o carinho, porque a gente conversava com eles, a gente cuidava deles. E a gente espera que, na jornada deles, que eles possam retornar.
We all know we stayed because of some very kind and very patient Sahaja-yogi at the start who would listen to us and reassure us.
A gente sabe disso, porque sempre tem um Sahaja Yogi que na nossa jornada, né, que tem muita paciência, muito carinho, muito cuidado.
At least in Europe, because things are more complicated. Here, of course, no need, there's just joy all the time. It's wonderful.